Welcome back to Toys and Books Are Fun. This is the second episode of our coding series. Welcome back to those who have already watched our first episode, but to those who haven't, if you don't know how to create a Scratch account and haven't started your coding adventure, please check out episode 1. Today, we are going to work on backdrops. Backdrops are like the stage. It can change, and that's where your sprites do all of their code. There are many backdrops in the backdrop library. Choose a backdrop. Click on this. Here we have all of the backdrops for you to create your projects. What if the dog goes to a party? He looks like he's having lots of fun. The more backdrops you choose, the more fun your game will get. Oh, he's with the dinosaurs. Roar! Let's see what else we can choose. He's at the park. He's dancing around at the park because he loves the park. Who doesn't love the park? He's at a concert dancing on the stage. Let's see what else we can get. The moon. He's spinning around on the moon. I never knew he was a space dog. What if we try him underwater? He's spinning around, swimming under the water. Okay, I think this is enough backdrops. If you want to select your backdrops, click on the backdrop that you would like to select. Now you can change your backdrops just like you can change your sprites. For example, if we wanted to change this dinosaur one, we could change the colors. Click on the part that you want to change and it will select it in blue. And if you want to change the colors, or you can use the fill. The fill is better because it gives you options of gradients and also radial. Let's see, maybe I want this to be blue with maybe red. Blue and red, or maybe blue and green. It doesn't matter, that's your choice. I can choose where I want to go. I can move it around. For example, I can click on the ground. Now the ground is blue and green. Let's see what other colors we can choose. Maybe yellow, yellowish green, and red. For the sky, looks like it's a sunset. You can color whatever you like, whatever colors you like. If you like to color the rock that color, the same color as the sky, just go on top of the ones that you want and click them. What other colors should we choose? Or you don't have to. You can do whatever you really like. If you don't want to color the rock, just click on the undo button. The undo button is what can take away anything that you didn't want for it to happen. Now we have also, you can color the different, everything really that changes color. You can change it. And now you can choose all of the colors that you like. You can swap them. Swap changes the order. For example, if you wanted this to be like this, but you wanted red to be on top, you can do it. As well, you can move around the different parts. If you wanted this plant to go here, the volcano's lava to move around here. Ooh, or the cloud to come down here and get bigger. That's a big cloud. You can change their shapes. You can make the cloud smaller or larger. You can use this little thing here, if you look. This turns it all the way around. You can click on them. If you click delete, they'll go away. And you can change their shapes like this as well. For example, you don't want this anymore? That's completely fine. Just click on that handy delete button. You want to move the lava back? That's completely fine as well. Or if you want to, for example, take this and you wanted to move it up higher, or you wanted to remove this, just click on delete. Now it's all blue and green on the ground. How interesting. You can change everything. If you hold this and pull, you can select more than one item. And here you can pull them to get bigger. You can pull them to get longer. Oh, and you can do one other thing too. If you click on do, they'll select again, and you can click group. This way, whenever you click on one of them, it will select all of them. If you don't want it to be on the top, that's completely fine. Click back. Or you can click forward one so it goes in front. Now you've completely changed the scene for what you want to make for your own project. You can do this with all of them. Now you can also create your own. Just like how you can paint your sprites, you can paint backdrops. So you can make, for example, a lake, or you can make a pool. The lake starts like this. You can make a big round lake, and you can color it blue. You can make it like this so that the lake can be lighter blue and darker blue on the end. If you like, however you like. If you want to make the background for it, let's say a big background for the ground, you send it to the back, and you can use this to change the color. For example, you want the ground for it to be a green ground, a lake with a green ground, but you can also add ducks to this lake. Do you want to know how? It's quite simple. Click on Choose a Sprite. If you click on Choose a Sprite, you can also search the sprites. For example, duck. Oh, there's a duck. That's quite handy. Now, if you click on the duck and you click on its costumes, you can click on the mouse. This selects, and you can copy that whole duck. Now, you should delete the duck because you want to add him to your backdrop. Here, if you click paste, that cute little duck will come, and you can add him. Wait 1 second. If you click paste, you should group him first, or else all of his different pieces will go around. For example, let me show you. If you want to move the duck, you should always make sure he's grouped. If he's ungrouped, then you can, when you're trying to move him, you might move his body by accident, and you don't want to do that. So always make sure that it's grouped. You can put him on the water so that he's swimming, or on the land right beside. You can do everything. You can flip him so that he's pointing at the lake beside him. I love this lake. It's the best lake ever. You can create a sky. The sky can be blue. If you want the sky, then you can make a lighter blue here, and maybe a little lighter whiter here. And you can create this nice big blue sky and send it to the back. Now you have your grass here, your sky here. Just remember that this is front, and this is back. This is forward, that brings it up one, but under the other ones. And this is backward, that sends it right back where it was. As well, you can add other sprites to this, or you can add parts from other backgrounds. For example, let's say you go back to the Jurassic, or you go to the party and you want to take a balloon with yourself. That's fine. You can take all of the balloons, just you have to ungroup everything, so you can take the balloons and choose a balloon of your choice and click copy, just like how it is. And you can copy all of the balloons, however, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to take all of these balloons and copy them. And I'm going to take them to our little lake, and I click paste. Oh no, they brought the white background with them. This is an easy fix, not to worry. If you see here, you can see the white. Just click delete. I think it's the duck's birthday party. He seems very happy. Let's bring a few of his friends to go on the lake with him. So let's see, which animals should we bring? Let's go down and take a look. Maybe the chick. The cute little chick comes to his party. We should go to costumes and copy our chick. and delete him here. Don't worry, chick, you can come back at Duck's party, and we can make him bigger and on the lake. Now if you want to take his legs away so it looks like he's swimming inside of the lake, just delete this leg and this leg, and it looks like he's swimming on the lake, like his legs are under the water. It's that easy. Like the duck is there. Let's give the duck a cake for his birthday. A birthday cake. You can search cake. The perfect birthday cake. How wonderful. Let's copy our cake with its candles, delete our cake, go to the backdrops and click paste. Happy birthday, duck. I hope you like your cake. Let's put it right here for the duck. And move him a little bit higher. He seems very happy. Oh, let's move this balloon a little bit over so it's not in the poor duck. Oh, maybe here. Here. Yes, that seems perfect. The duck is very happy. What if he's holding a balloon? Well, maybe not. That would be a little bit too much. Let's see, what else should we do with our background? You can see here that our background is right here. This is where you click to go into the backdrops. Maybe we should add one more friend for, or maybe two more friends or one more friend for a cute little duck. Dragon came to his party. Oh, the dragon blew the candles for him. Yes, that's probably what the dragon was doing. We copy our dragon and we can delete. Remember, if you click on the dragon, the delete is the trash can with the X. We go into our birthday party for our duck, the mini version, where it says backdrops, and how many backdrops you have is there too. And we click on our backdrop, and here, as you remember, we click paste. Now here we can make our dragon fly with the balloons, or we can make him swimming. Or we can put him here, so it looks like he's on the ground here, and he's swimming under the water. That also works. Right here, he's the one who blowed the candles. Maybe one other friend for our duck for his birthday. Maybe this butterfly. The butterfly came to duck. Now you see here, it says butterfly. We're on the butterfly. Remember, if you were on the dog, it would show the dog's costumes. Click on the butterfly, the small butterfly, and you'll go to the butterfly. You click copy and delete, and you go into the mini version of Duck's birthday, and you paste. You can make the butterfly bigger by pulling, and you can turn her too. And make her a little, maybe smaller, a little bit, and that seems the perfect size. Oh, I sure hope Duck's happy with his new birthday friends at his perfect birthday party. Maybe we should make the dinosaur go a little bit higher, but no, maybe we shouldn't, because I like how he is the way he is. Now, as you can see, we've made a beautiful backdrop, Duck's birthday party, using the sprite gallery and the tools that we've been provided. Here you can name the backdrop if you look here. What if we name it back Duck's birthday party! Exclamation mark. And we click away to save the name. Now we have so many fun different backdrops for our little dog to swim around in, including Duck's birthday party. Oh, I'm so happy for our friend Duck. Now I have an idea. What if we do something cool? If you want to delete a backdrop that you don't think you need anymore, it's quite simple. Just X on the trash can right here. You click that and poof, just like magic, it's gone. And you always click SSS, save. We need music for Duck's birthday party, I think. Duck's birthday party needs a happy song. So what if we go to sounds? Sounds is where all of the songs really are. If you click on the plus, remember, you have to always click on choose a sound. It's just the same as choose a sprite or choose a backdrop. You go on the sound and the plus, and it says right beside it, choose a sound. Of course I want to choose a sound. All of the different sounds that Scratch has are right there. You go into the play, and it plays the sound. Oh, that's how strange. Oh, what a nice dancing music! Now, there's also something else that I wanted to say. Here at the top is how they organize the sounds. Animal sounds. Oh, a quacking duck. That's a duck. A horsey here. Oh, I think it's a Canadian goose. Oh, that's an angry horsey. The seagulls at the beach. Aw, cute kitty. Oh, it's a doggy. Here we have effects. Effects are all the different sound effects. Like if you wanted to tell like somebody beeped a car horn, you would play that sound. Or if someone closed the door, you'd play that sound. If your character rings the doorbell, that would be useful. Oh no, your character broke something. That's not good. Oh, that's the police. Oh, that's spooky. Teleportation. This is loops. Loops is what we're looking for. They're sounds that you can repeat over and over again, like songs. Oh, that's a dancing song. This is cool too. If you want to, you can try all of the songs to see which one you like. Oh, that one's kind of funny. Oh, someone beatboxing. This is the notes. All the different notes of almost all the different instruments. Well, not all of them, but lots of different instruments. Here we have percussions like drums, cymbals. We have all the different kinds of drums and cymbals. And beatboxing too. We have space noises. And you have sports, which is basketball, bowling, driving car. We have voices, people talking, cheering. Thank you so much for cheering for me. We have laughing and wacky, weird noises. Oh, wobbly. Kids' toy. Oh, what's that? But we're gonna go back to loops, which is what we want, and we're gonna try the different sounds. We need the perfect song for his birthday. I kind of like this one. Wow. This is too loud. This one's not bad, but it's a bit too loud too. This one is kind of good too, but maybe not this one. Again, just try all the different songs, all the different sounds. But you can do everything. But you know what? I decided we can make the sounds quieter a bit, so I decide to choose this. Now if you look here, it says softer. You see? It's kind of quieter. I think it's a good noise now. But you can also make the songs faster. Oh, that sounds kind of different. You can make them slower. If you undo what you've done, you can also make them slower. You see, it makes it sound slower. You can make it louder and softer, as we said before. You can mute it, but you don't want to do that. That's the song that you want to play. You can make it fade in. Fade in is when you make it quiet at the beginning and then it gets louder, like this. And then it starts to get louder, as you can see. you want to fade out, it does the same thing, but it's slow and it's a quiet. Quieter and quieter and quieter, as you can see. Reverse does something very, very interesting. Reverse makes it backwards. Changes the song completely, but I don't want this. And robot makes it sound like a robot is singing it. Oh, this is kind of scary. It's kind of cool. So, but I think I like the way that it was before. Yes. So you can pause it to make it stop, and we go to code. And there's an entire section dedicated to sound. Sound, oh, that's cool. And you can say, play sound, dance, celebrate until done. Now this plays the sound that you've chosen until it's finished. You shouldn't choose start sound because it will just keep on starting and starting and starting to play it, and it will never finish the song. So after we do this, we go to control and we pull out the forever. So it forever plays the dance celebrate song until it's finished. That sounds good to me. And in events, whenever the green flag is clicked, that's always how we start our code. It should forever play sound, dance, celebrate until done. That sounds good to me. Let's check out the code. Of course, the SSS rules. Save, save, save. Save your work. Now the red button stops it, so it stops the dog from spinning. And the green button, it's starting to work. I like it. It's playing the song over and over again until it finishes for Duck's birthday party. Sounds good. Now, we should move the doggy a little bit so it doesn't go all the way around Duck over and over again. Maybe he can swim around in the lake. Yes. Now, that looks much, much better. So, anyway, here we can listen to the dog going, spinning around and doing his thing. And Duck's birthday party. So now, if you would like, we can do the background changing so that it makes it kind of fun for Duck's birthday. So how we change backdrop stats and looks? We can switch backdrop to Duck's birthday party for the beginning and wait a bit and then start switching it to all the different backdrops. So how do we do this? Well, first we pull out the when green flag click block. First let's stop to stop the music from playing. For now, when green flag clicked block. We pull this one out, wait until the shadow comes, and then let go. Of course, we can pull it a little bit under. And then we can make a switch to Duck's birthday party, as it says here. Switch backdrop to Duck's birthday party. And make it wait a few seconds. Okay? So, we make it wait a few seconds. What if we make it wait 4 seconds? 4 seconds on Duck's birthday party, and then we'll start to change the backdrops. Let's pull out this forever. Forever, because we want it to switch backdrops forever, right? Now we go to looks. What a handy block we have here, next backdrop. It will switch next backdrop. Now code always goes from top to bottom, from the hat to the bottom of your code. So here we have when go is clicked, the first thing that the computer will do is it will switch the backdrop to Duck's birthday party. And then it will wait for seconds and forever click the next backdrop. Let's see. Wow, it's switching them quite fast. I think this is a problem. I don't think that this is supposed to happen. Do you? I didn't think so. If you want to make it keep like this and make it so it switches very, very fast, you can do this. However, you can also make it go slower. So what you can do is this. Wait 1 second. This wait block comes in very, 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 very handy. If you say wait 1 second, now it will wait before it switches. Of course, you might think that it waits too long, So you might want to make it slower or faster, like 2 seconds. But you can see what the backdrop is when it switches. Let me move the dog a little bit higher for this. Little bit higher. So that he's spinning around in the middle. And now what you can do to make sure the dog always goes in the middle of the spin, this is quite a useful piece of code. You can say that when go is clicked, the dog should go here. Now this is go to x4, y 124. This is because this is actually a coordinate grid where you can actually measure where the sprite is. So now we click the SSS rule, save, 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 and we click go. He'll always start there when the code is starting. Now I think the music is a bit loud, so we should make it a bit quieter. What do you think? You don't have to make it quieter if you like. Oh, we should first click stop. I forgot to do this. I think it's good now. Yes, now it's perfect. Let's click save and test our code. Okay, so thank you for watching episode 2 of Toys and Books Are Fun's coding series. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. My goal is to make 1 coding video a day, so make sure you check it out. See you in episode 3.